Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Claude AI for content writing like a pro. To get started, open Claude and go to the New Chat page. This gives you a clean space to begin working and helps you focus on the specific writing task you want Claude to help with. Starting in a fresh chat is useful because it keeps the conversation organized and makes it easier for the AI to respond directly to your current request without mixing in older context. Once you are on the New Chat screen, the next step is to enter a sample prompt about professional content writing. This is where you tell Claude what kind of help you want. Your prompt can be simple, but it should still be clear enough to guide the response. For example, you might ask for help writing a blog post, creating marketing copy, improving tone, or generating ideas for engaging content. The better your prompt reflects your goal, the more useful the output will be. When writing your prompt, try to be specific about the style, audience, and purpose of the content. If you want something polished and professional, say so. If the content is meant for beginners, mention that as well. This gives Claude more context and helps it produce writing that feels more relevant and refined. Even a short prompt can go a long way when it includes the right direction. After you have typed your prompt, press Enter to send it. Claude will begin generating a response based on your request. At this point, you can review what it gives you and use it as a first draft, a source of ideas, or a starting point for revisions. AI-generated writing is often most effective when you treat it as a collaboration. You can continue the conversation by asking for rewrites, expansions, a different tone, or a more structured version of the content. As you work, remember that strong prompts usually lead to stronger results. If the first response is not exactly what you need, that is completely normal. You can refine your request and ask Claude to adjust the content until it better matches your goal. That's all it takes to begin using Claude for content writing in a more professional and efficient way. With a new chat, a clear prompt, and a quick press of Enter, you can start generating useful content in seconds and build from there with confidence.